Okay guys, look at this box. Look at it. Hollyland really said we're not a mic company, we're a luxury bag brand, and honestly I respect it. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh, hello there, little mic. Tiny, cute, and about to become my best friend or my worst enemy. We'll find out together. Under that we've got paperwork, a sticker, and a card. Cool, cool, cool. Sorry, Manuel, I will never read you. It's not you, it's me. Now digging into layer 2, more stuff. They packed this like they were sending me to war. Oh, a pouch. Nice pouch. Holds the mic. Receiver, cables, everything. Except, wait, where's my clip? Guys. I checked twice, I checked 3 times. Alright, now let's put it together. Magnetic mic snaps right on the body, easy. Then the little chain goes on too. This mic is small, light, and looks way more expensive than it actually is. Testing time. Let's hear how this thing sounds.
So right now you are listening from this mic without noise cancellation. If I touch this, the noise cancellation will go on and the color will be green. So how does this sounds on the noise cancellation? Let me know. And I'm talking from this mic. To prove, I'm gonna tap on this. Alright. So the mic looks really small, really amazing, really qualityful. Wow. So I can just put anywhere with the magnets on. Let me see.
And everything goes back into the pouch, nice and tidy, like it never even happened. Now here's my honest opinion. The build quality, amazing. And the features, amazing. But the thing that actually blew my mind is the noise cancellation. I live right beside a road, okay, cars, bikes, random honking at 2 a.m. for no reason. And this mic just cuts all of that out like it's nothing. Like it heard the traffic and said, not today. That's the Hollyland Mark II combo pack, folks. No clip, all vibes, but the sound quality genuinely earns it.